Hey hi friends, today we will see an free website which converts any type of file to many types of files. So first go to Google and type onlineconvert.com or simply go to Google and search onlineconverttools.com. Then you will .com then you will find this website as the first result. Then click in this. Then here you can see that audio converter, document converter, web service converter, software converter, video converter, ebook converters, device converters, also hash generators, image converters, archive converters, PDF to Word, PDF to JPG. This is an amazing website with all types of converting. Here also you can name the file and name the converting files and give go, or else they would have given here at as easily. Here you can find it. So I am going to show you an example of converter to doc. So from doc converter I am choosing a doc. So here convert PDF and other documents to Word. So you can convert PDF, PPT and etc. to Word in here and other things. Here you can see that convert to PDF. So here images and etc. into PDF. So here we will choose the file, and I am choosing the doc file which I am having. It would be uploaded. Then I am giving start conversion. Here also you will be able to use it OCR. Then this would be processing, and after finishing you can download it as a zip file or download it as an PDF, and it would be automatically downloaded. And here also you can upload it to cloud. Here you can, if I open it, here you can see that it has been clearly exported into PDF. Then now I am going to show you another example of ebook converter. This convert to PDF. So ebook, if I click convert to PDF, you can convert ebooks to ebook files like ebook, EPUB, Mobi and etc. into PDF. So I have chosen one EPUB file, so it has been uploaded. So now here it has been uploaded. Then I am giving start conversion. Here also I can see the settings. So I am going back. So here you can also target ebook reader, which device. You can also choose device. You can add a new title, or you can change the ebook author. Here add border, base font size, MD font. Here change. You can also change input encoding. Then yeah, you can also sign up to them, because they limit us that we can only convert 10 files each day. So if you sign up to their website, they will give unlimited file converting uh, to to you. So if you sign up, you can convert uh, uh, more than many. You can convert how many times as you want each day. So I have uploaded. I will upload here. I will upload that EPUB. Then I am giving start conversion after uploading. So it has been uploaded. Now I am giving start conversion. So now it is processing, and then it will after finishing it will being downloaded automatically. Or if you want to download it as a zip file, you can also download it as a zip file, or you can also upload it to cloud. So I am downloading it as a PDF. I blocked download of multiply multiple files automatically. If you allow, then it will download automatically after converting. Or if you have blocked, you should open the link in your new tab, and then it would be downloaded. Now it has been downloaded. Here you can see that it has converted that EPUB into PDF clearly. So this is an useful and amazing website with also many other tools. It's we can say this website as all-in-one uh, converter. Also you can also convert video files, audio files. So hope this video will be liked by you. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates, friends. Thank you.